but it's the best video I have, so don't be afraid. People say, oh, if you don't do a quality video, don't even bother of making. I was really excited to make that video and to share with the world, but till this day it's still giving me views, so don't be afraid. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina, and today I'm gonna give you tips and tricks of how you can get your first 50 subscribers on YouTube. I know the struggle is real. It is so hard to get to your first subscribers to your channel. And today I'm going to be really honest with you guys and tell you what actually worked for my channel and how I was able to get all the way to 50 subscribers. So let's get started. So when I started taking YouTube seriously, I started to post videos that were more likely to be searchable. It's okay to go out of a niche at first, because you don't know what kind of topics people will like and what kind of topics people will prefer you to do. So when you first start, I think it's totally okay, and I have heard it from other YouTubers. Niche is really important, and I think that will get me from 50 to 100. But for now, when I reached the 50, that wasn't the case. I was making videos on all kinds of topics, anything that I felt passionate about and I was happy and excited to make a video about. So my number one tip would be, do what makes you happy for now. At this moment, my channel has about 36 videos. For 36 videos, I only got 51 subscribers, and that's the reality. Some people get really good, and maybe you're looking for your answer where you've been struggling for a while to get any subscribers. You already asked your family, and that was plus 5 people who actually wanted to follow you, and then the rest. And sometimes your Instagram followers are not sure. You're doing a different niche than your own YouTube channel. So it really depends. And today I'm gonna share with you guys what video helped me gain plus 25 subscribers, and that's the reality. Sometimes you're gonna keep making videos, and one of your videos will add a lot of subscribers to you, and I will explain why exactly I think people start following me exactly because of that video. And if that video isn't something you can recreate because it was a little crazy video, but the fact that just do it. Just keep making videos. If it takes you 50 videos to get 50 subscribers, let it be. It's okay for first. And then round up, look at your views and see which videos got more views and continue in that direction. So another advice I can give you is the fact that you will need to create better thumbnails. You can look at my channel on my other videos. You can really see that I've been playing around with all kinds and types of thumbnails. And to tell you the truth, when I made that video that helped me get those subscribers, I changed that thumbnail 25 or 30 times. We're talking about constantly. I'm like, okay, it's not really exciting. I need to change it. I need to change it. I think I learned something new. I'm gonna change it. So I've been changing that thumbnail forever. But I did notice when I would change it, especially the latest one, got me subscribers, is getting me moving, and I'm getting a lot of views compared to my whole channel. That video currently has 12,000 views, where my other videos are getting 40, 13, and 11 views. So that's definitely something awesome. So I really wanted to encourage you guys and be super honest what really worked for my channel. All right, so right now we're gonna look at my analytics and see what's going on there. All right, so here's my analytics for the video. I wanted to share with you guys and give you an example of what kind of video or type or any video honestly you would make that would get a lot of views, but you just have to keep making them. And as of now, I'm actually making an experiment where I post a video a day. Every single day I post, and I'll be doing that for 30 days, and will give you guys a result if that made any difference. And subscribe so you can see the results. 30 days are coming up soon. All right, so this is the video of where I got 12,000 views and I gained 25 of the 51 I have, 25 subscribers. So that seems like a lot. And this is the thumbnail I have. I used red color, white, and black. Those colors really make the difference when they catch your eyes. And another fact, if you guys go and watch that video, this is the one of the videos I would say the worst quality I ever had. So it really depends on information, thumbnail and information you're really giving to your audience. That could really have a lot of views. Horrible quality. I'm shaking my hand the whole time I'm recording myself. But it's the best video I have, so don't be afraid. People say, oh, if you don't do a quality video, don't even bother. Do bother of making. I was really excited to make that video and to share with the world, but till this day, it's still giving me views. So don't be afraid of making that. Even if it's a bad quality, you really don't know. You really don't know what people really love to see. Yeah, so this video gave me 481 watch hour, and that's crazy. That's a lot. So it gave me a quarter of what I need to get to 4,000 watch hours. So I'm really excited. This video is actually driving my channel as of now. Every day I get more and more and more views. So again, but I would highly recommend keep recording videos and be consistent, and I will make another video to show you guys that to be consistent you need quite a few things to consider so you are able to do one video a day, and that video should come out tomorrow. So subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll share with you guys what I do to help me to record and edit the same day, one video a day. Here is another point I wanted to make. Okay, so as you guys could see, I have this video right here. It gave me 12K views. This is what laser did to my face before and after. And I also have it shows here that this is part 1 out of 2. And in the video also, I was telling people that I will be doing a continuum of that video. So right here, you guys could see that I did my part 2 video, 3 months update. And people keep watching this and subscribing because they want to see what happened afterwards. Especially when I did not post a 3-month update. People was really subscribing to this, so they can see what happened to my face 3 months later, and if did it work on my skin and whatnot, and should they do it. I got a lot of comments and questions. I have helped a lot of people with that. But again, this is, you guys can look through all my uploads and lately what I've been working with, and definitely my thumbnails are all over the place, but I am also seeking a perfect one to gain more subscribers. I hope that this was really helpful. I was really honest and giving you real examples of what I did and what you can do to help grow your channel. And I wish you your first 50, 100,000 of subscribers, and hopefully 1,000 so you can start being monetized. And also subscribe, like this video, subscribe, and I'll be making more tips and tricks on how to get more views in the future.